It's a Buick 3800. Very good cars, but if you've seen a previous video, rust has got this and hit the whole trailer arm, shot through the back seat. Yeah, I can't fix that. It's not worth fixing. I can technically fix it, but the cost of the money is worth more than the car. Cost to repair it is more than the car. So it runs good and everything. I'm parting it out, and as a lot of you that watch the channel know, I got an eBay store. So I'm going to show you how to remove your wiper arms in case you got one bent or a missing one and need to take one off at the junkyard. And you know, you get a video, I get to make content, I get to put them on eBay, and hopefully I go to someone that needs a set, because I don't need them anymore. First thing you want to do, pop the hood. So we'll go in here. The hood pop on a Buick LeSabre is right there. It's got the hood emblem on it, so you know you're popping the right thing. Come over here. Hopefully the hood shocks is good. They are pretty good on this. Probably could sell those too. I don't know. Are they expensive? Probably not. Now, unlike other ones, you got these little strutters built onto them, you know, normal wipers. And you got a little cap here with a bolt. That little bolt looks to be a 12mm. So we're going to go to a toolbox. We're going to grab this 12 and we're going to try it on a windshield wiper. It's not a 12mm. It's probably a 13mm. And righty tighty, lefty loosey. And that's tighten. We'll go loosey. Scrape my hand. Use both hands when you do this. If not, you can, you know, hurt yourself like I just did. See the blood? Don't care. Can you go loosen that one while I'm doing this one? Thank you. We can lay the bolt up, because the bolt will go in the windshield wiper, because most likely somebody needs the bolt too. Now you can take you something and just pry up on it. They make a puller for these, but usually if they bolt on, you don't need a puller. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you do need a puller. Okay, it's hard to do this one-handed. Go figure. Just gotta wiggle it back at your forge. And you can see I ain't using no special tool, but my hand. And don't let this smack your windshield, because you can crack it. So just be mindful of that. Okay, come on. Come on. Wow, it's fighting me every which way. I'll get it out here in a minute. There we go. I got it. Don't let it pinch your hand, because if this goes back, it can grab your hand and pinch it. You know, you can see right there. So be careful the way you hold this. So let's go ahead and flip it back out. That's the bolt. Did you get the bolt off the other side? You weren't able to?
No.
Okay. Go. Let's see. It was on tighten. Ain't gonna come off tighten. Let's go ahead and loosen it. And if you want to, you can go Harbor Freight. Icon's got some nice ratchets. This is an old Hot. It's in a Duralast kit, because my Duralast is in the other one. But you can see it's already missing. Hot brand tools are junk, you know. But you can get an icon. It says on and off on it. So you always know if you're tightening or loosening a bolt. Unless it got reverse thread. Wow, I did a job, didn't I? Here you go. You can hold that. Let's go over here same way. Just try to work it loose. I probably can get it on the other side. This is the big wiper arm, isn't it? Let's unplug it. Maybe it helps fold this up. I don't know. I can't fold it. Can you mash it down and fold it under the hood, please? Or lift the hood up more? Either one will work.
Just a second.
Thank you. It pays to have a helper when doing some of this stuff. Okay, well, I need somebody to bend that up for me. Under there. Yep, easy now, don't bend the wiper on. It ain't going, is it? Can I close the hood and get to it? Watch your hand. Let me move these 2 bolts. I'm almost got enough dirt in my wound to make it quit. That's a big no. The joys. Oh. Joy, joy, joy. Up we go. Oh. This plastic piece can be broke off because it's drywalled it. There we go. Take it off quickly. But this is a parts car, so it don't matter to me. I need to okay, so I got that though. Maybe now it'll apply up. I couldn't get it with the wiper arm on it. Well, maybe I have to apply it. Yep. So these have to pick up at an angle on it to get them loose. Okay, makes sense. So it's that simple. What I do with the other arm. Over here my helper's got it. So it's that simple. I'm injured now. It's that simple to remove your wiper arms. It's little, first time I removed them on a Buick, but it's a little painful, but once you get them arms bent up, it must have a lock, so you got to have them kind of L-shaped in order to pry up on them. Makes sense. It came off quite easy. If you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't put Phillips a 4-way. You don't need your eyes, you can poke yourself. I just fixed my hat, poke your eye out. Check the eBay store out in the description below, and thanks for watching.